Hi, welcome to the video 41 of our Adobe Premiere Pro course. In this video, you are going to learn how to do the nesting followed by what are the benefits of nesting, why we need to use the nesting in our every day-to-day video editing journey. So first, I'll tell you what the nesting is, how it looks like. I already made it some introductory video for this in the past. You can check that video, but if you watch this video, you will know clearly more about it. So as you can see here, the thing whatever it is showing, these two all are nested. If I double click on it, as you can see here, there are a lot of files. This is a single timeline, but you can add multiple layers and effects, even the audios and everything, so that you make like a complete pack of one thing, a nested sequence. So the nested sequence makes your timeline very clear, and you don't get any confusion if in case you are working with multiple projects. Multiple projects in the sense like multiple camera videos followed by maybe your editing day 1, day 2, day 3 videos like that, or maybe outdoor and indoor shots. Like for these this nested sequences are really going to be helpful to avoid confusions and everything. And not only that, the main important feature for the nested sequences is once you nest all the clips, you can directly apply effect to all the clips at once. See, for example, if I want to change the opacity or maybe the scale of this all these clips, of course this is a single timeline. Just think that if in case there are more than 10 or 15 layers, and yes, we can do it like by going into the each layer and changing the position and transition, but it takes hours of editing time. So to eradicate that, to minimize that, we first make that as a nested clip. After that, we apply any of the effect to the nested clip. For example, if I want to change the scaling for the A roll, this is the picture in picture video. I already posted a video about that. So for the A roll, this is the A roll. If I want to change the position, I can change it. As you can see, it's simple as that. Even if I want to add any effect, I can add it with a just single click. So that's the beauty part of the nested clips. So by this way, you can edit much faster, and also you can apply a lot of effects to all the clips with a single click. Yeah, that's pretty much about it of the nesting sequences and what are the uses of it, and why we use the nesting a lot in the video editing journey. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to the side of it to get instant notifications from this channel.